Are you dying to write a book this year but don't know where to start or how to create a plot or what you should be writing and what you should be leaving out? Then come join the Writers Bootcamp taught by me, a New York Times, USA Today, Publishers Weekly, and Amazon bestselling author. I've published 87 books in 24 countries. I have sold 8 million copies. I may not know how to do my taxes, but I definitely know how a book goes together, and I'm going to teach you in 12 weeks with the Writers Bootcamp. We're going to talk about everything from how to create a turning point, how to do scene and sequel, how to create characters that people actually care about, when to put the backstory in, when to leave it out. All of those components that seem so confusing and so overwhelming when you first sit down to write. I'm going to carry you from beginning to end, and at the same time, I'm going to be working on a book of my own, so I'm following along on this journey with you as well. You'll be able to ask questions. We'll have a special live that is only open to people in the class, and you will be able to access these lessons forever. When you start the next book or the next one and say, okay, let me review that information about how to do backstory. There will be handouts, there will be tons of videos that will not be seen on my channel. If you sign up now, you can get special pre-order pricing and use code YouTube for an extra 10% off. And let's write that book together.